Hi, my name is Jodie Johnson from Tonic Studios, and if I say to you I'm like a giddy kipper, that is an understatement. If you like our kaleidoscope boxes and you have our kaleidoscope boxes, you are in for a treat. Welcome to the brand new Crystal box collection. How would you like to make boxes like these ones here? They're stunning. They really are absolutely an engineering genius. I mean, they open from the bottom. Okay, so let me just take this off. So you've got that interior lip inside there, and then they just close off. Imagine that being done in acetate. You'd have an acetate dome to put something inside there, or you can open them from the top as well. So let me bring that one in, and look how that one slides from the top. It's up to you how you build these boxes, okay? They literally are, well, what do you want to put in them? How big do you want to make them? You know, you decide, and they are so easy to put together. They really are. Now, you know, I often say to you, we have nicknames for different die sets in the office to what you have at home. Well, who else can see Big Ben? In the office, we actually call it Big Ben. It's not called Big Ben. But you can see where I'm going. Imagine putting a clock face on there, some lines on there. For somebody who loves everything from London, you could make that into the actual Big Ben. It'd be absolutely beautiful. As I say, easy to put together. So looking at the bases, whether you're using the square base or the hexagon base, the principles are the same, okay? I've got the main die cut here. So I've gone through and I've folded all my lines, and I'm going to start on my glue tabs. So I'm going round, making sure that all those wee little glue tabs are all folded in. And I'm going to come off, and I'm going to stick these together. The best weight of cardstock is your 240 GSM without fail, because that's going to hold the shape, and let's face it, it's a box, it's going to have something inside. So get that 240 out, and we're going to continue all the way around here. So we've got those four sides done, yeah, and now we're going to come onto the inside edge. Now you'll note that one side has got a little point, the other side is missing. That point folds down first, and then the other one goes over the top to give you that chamfered edge. Okay, so let's go ahead and start to do this. So take your tape off. It folds in on itself, and it's going to form like a little box segment there. And then the next one comes over the top and gives you that absolute perfect precision of that mitered corner. So fold the next one in, fold it up, tuck it in, and just push it down. So you can see how we're starting now to build this base. Now, is it a base or is it a top? You decide, okay? Because this can be your top as well as the bottom of your box, depending on how and what you want to put inside your box. So the last one now, all we're going to do is we're just going to fold that little segment in, and that just literally just folds underneath its friend. And then fold all those in, keeping that box segment in place. And that there is going to be the bottom or the top of your box. And as I say, the principle's the same for the square version as well as the hexagon version. Okay, now we have an interior lip that's going to go inside there, and this is the interior lip. Now the interior lip, depending, you need an interior lip for the size of your box. So that depends whether you're doing the square. If you need square, you're going to use 4 of these sides. If you're going to do the hexagon, you know, depends on how many panels that you're putting in. So all you're going to do is you're going to go round and you're going to build. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 3 there. 4. And then this one is going to be the 5th one. So now all I do is join those together. Like so. So you can see now that that is going to sit inside there, and it's sloppy. It's meant to be sloppy because you've got the gaps to go down there for your lid to go over the top. So we're literally going to go through, take the bottoms off all that. Now in your die set, you do get the dies to even decorate these internal panels if you want them decorated. We're going to come in and we're just sliding that and dropping it in, pushing those little tabs down, and that is going to be the base of my box, i.e. like that one there. You can see how that's got a narrower base. You can have a thick base, you can have a narrow base, or if you're going to do the top loading boxes, you can see how that becomes the lid. Okay, now as I say, we are going to do the large version, so I'm going to need 5 of my large panels. Yeah, we don't need that one, so I've got 5 of those, and I'm going to start at the top. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to stick the top in, and I'm going to work round from that top segment. The reason I start from the top is so that I can get all my tape stuck down properly. If I start from the bottom, I can't get my hand upside there to be able to stick. So let's put that panel in and bring him down, because I've literally got my hand inside this little nodule at the top so that I can actually stick that red liner tape down. So let's just flop that round there and bring that one in. So you can see how the finial is starting to take shape on the top. Okay, so let's do the other ones. Let's bring the next one in. Going to place that one onto there. And then the other one is going to go onto there. Let's just rearrange that one. It's not tight enough. There we go. Right up to that top peak. And then that one is going to come all the way round. And I can still get my finger inside there to be able to close it off. So it looks a bit strange at the minute, doesn't it? But hey, it's going to take shape. We're going to come in now and do these little ones. Now, sometimes you want to bend your card back out of the way so that you can actually close it off. You can see how it's overlapping itself at the minute. So we've done that one, we've done that one, and now we need to do these two here. Taking that tape away. And I'm going to bring that one now. I'm going to push it down, and I'm pushing with my thumb to bring that score line into position. But yeah, I can still get my fingers upside there. And then the other one in the other side. Bring that one right out of the way this time. Get that little clasp into there. Bend it into situ. Get your hand inside and close it off. So you've got the finial started on the top. Now we can come down the side panels. So I'm going to come in and we're starting to build the side up now. Literally working all the way around those sides, bringing them nice and tight into each other. And I'm working stage by stage, not length by length, each segment at the same time. So we've now got, oh, one there, missed that one. So let's do that one as well. Let's get that last one into situ, like so. So you can see now we've actually got the top. So let's do the length now of the box. Let's just slide that little edge underneath. Oh, look, I've missed one there. That's why it's come apart. Let's do that one. Just stick that one into there. Close you off. And now we can come down the sides. Leveling up my panels, making sure that they're all level. Bringing the sides together. All the way down there. And this is when it really starts to take shape. It's brilliant. You know, you get all your pattern panels in there as well, should you wish to decorate it with pattern panels. But you've also got all the outside edges, so you can cut your patterned papers and just line them with patterned papers. The choices are endless. It's the same sort of principle as the kaleidoscope boxes. If you loved those, you're going to absolutely adore these, because you've got all your fancy shapes to them as well. Last one coming up now. Sliding him, oh, don't stick, sweetheart. Sliding him into situ. Closing my edge off. And then that is going to sit straight over the top of that little segment there. Let's get it in there. But yet it's still going to slide down into the base and have a nicely secured, just get it level. It's not going to go in lopsided, Jodie. There you go. So you've got that lovely box in the base. And how are you going to decorate yours? Are you going to do it like Big Ben? Are you going to do, you know, that size box because you can make them bigger? These are the same base principles, how you make them up, but it's up to you how big, how small your gift is going to look, because look at that for a collection. Absolutely stunning. Welcome to the brand new Crystal Box range. So join us and share all your makes. Come and join us on Instagram, where you'll find so much inspiration from not only Tonic Studios, but also other crafters as well.